Hello, welcome friends. Me Anila. The topic of my discussion is empirical formula and molecular formula. But before this, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Empirical formula and molecular formula. The simplest ratio of the number of different atoms present in a molecule is called empirical formula, whereas the actual number of each different atoms present in a molecule is called molecular formula. The molecular formula is multiple of empirical formula. The molecular formula and empirical formula and molecular weight and empirical formula weight are expressed by equations. Molecular formula is equal to n multiplied by empirical formula. N is equal to molecular weight over empirical formula weight, where n is whole number. Example number 1. For glucose, molecular formula is C6H12O6 and molecular weight is 180 gram per mole as shown by calculation. 6 multiplied by 12 plus 12 multiplied by 1 plus 6 multiplied by 16 is equal to 180 gram per mole. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. 6 is to 12 is to 6. Divide by 2 we get C3H6O3. Divide by 3 we get 1 is to 2 is to 1. So empirical formula would be CH2O. Multiply by 2 and 3 we get 6. So N is equal to 6. That is C6H12O6 is equal to 6 times CH2O. N is equal to molecular weight over empirical formula weight. So empirical formula weight is equal to 180 gram per mole divided by 6 is equal to 30. Example number 2. Vitamin C ascorbic acid contains 40.92% carbon, 4.58% hydrogen and 54.50% oxygen by mass. Molecular weight is 176 gram per mole. We have to find empirical formula and molecular formula. Let's take percentages in grams and find out number of moles of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. For carbon, 40.92 gram divided by 12 gram per mole is equal to 3.41 moles. For hydrogen, 4.58 gram divided by 1 gram per mole is equal to 4.58 moles. For oxygen, 54.5 gram per 16 gram per mole is equal to 3.406 moles. Carbon is to hydrogen is to oxygen. 3.41 is to 4.58 is to 3.406. Divide each value by smallest value, that is 3.406. We get 1 is to 1.344 is to 1. Multiply each value by 3, we get 3 is to 4.03 is to 3. 4.03 is almost equal to 4. So, carbon is 3, hydrogen is 4, oxygen is 3. So, empirical formula is C3H4O3. Now empirical formula weight is 12 into 3 plus 1 into 4 plus 16 into 3 is equal to 88. N is equal to molecular weight divided by empirical formula weight. N is equal to 176 gram per mole divided by 88 is equal to 2. So molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula is equal to 2 into C3H4O3. So molecular formula is equal to C6H8O6. For some molecules, empirical formula is similar to molecular formula, such as methane, CH4. So an empirical formula helps in evaluation of molecular formula. Thanks.